Hey folks, welcome to this video. It's Femi here, and today I'm going to be letting you know why you should not use oatmeal or oat gel rather to make your styles, your twists, your bantu knots as we are seeing here. In the last video, I showed you two ways to make bantu knots, the twisting method or the finger coiling method, and we are going to be looking at the differences in how the bantu knots out turned out. So this is the section where I twisted my hair first before putting it in a knot, and this is the finger coiling section. Now I had to be uber careful when I was detangling my hair because the flakes from the oat gel really made my hair brittle. It made my hair feel hard. So you want to be careful when you're detangling it, or rather, oh wait, I got that right. When you're detangling it, yes. My excuse is that I just woke up from one amazing sleep, guys. So I'm going to rush through the detangling process. Try to keep up with the section that was finger coiled. This is the finger coiled section. And something I noticed was that the twist section, which is this section that you're currently watching, the twist from this section held up more, but they loosened after I separated them. While the finger coiling section, or while the finger coiled section, sorry guys, I hope I'm not confusing you. While the finger coiled section actually held up longer, which was kind of surprising for me because I thought that the section I twisted first would actually hold up more. Guys, the flake was unreal. Like, I'm not even kidding. Now this is we're back to the finger coiled section. This is the twist and twist section. Now, if you saw there, the when you initially unravel it, like the twists still make it pop, but then when you separate it, the coils kind of disappear. But I'm going to blame all of that to the oats gel, because honestly, whichever way you do your oats gel, it is going to turn out nice. But guys, look at my eyes. I was frustrated at this point. I tried to separate it because I was like, oh, maybe I would at least get a good picture for the gram. But guys, I got nothing. Like, I tried to separate it. I did not post anything from this look on Instagram. After I did it, I detangled my hair. I'm going to be showing what I did to detangle my hair soon. But yeah, I was trying to get a feel of the hair. I like the way my head was looking. I mean, it's afro, so of course it just looks nice. But look at my clothes, guys. Everything was messed up, and I was not happy with it at all. But this was the picture I was able to get, and it was on Snapchat. If Snapchat is giving me my only decent picture, guys, you know that it had to be bad. Anyway, guys, so I decided to make a video. I was like, okay, I'm going to lament about this thing and talk about how I left my hair out for a whole day, because when I finished that thing, guys, I was just frustrated. I did not go ahead to detangle my hair. Immediately, I left my hair the way it was, dusted my clothes, and went like that for the whole day till I was ready to detangle my hair, which was late in the night. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.